The Mint 400 is known for this exciting spectator race, but from a driver's perspective, it's absolutely brutal.
What's up, guys? We're here in Las Vegas, right at the start of the strip. We're about to go do the Mint 400 parade in these brand new Honda Talon 4P cars. Super excited to be here and go show these people what these Talons can do.
I've never been here for the parade before, and there's so many cars here and so many good guys that I've just been, looking at my whole life. And we're gonna be going out behind Rob Mack and a couple other trophy trucks leading the pack, and next to Christopher and the two Talons will be rolling down side by side down the strip. It's gonna be so cool. It was such a cool experience. Everybody's lined up down the strip, and I followed in behind Christopher, and played a couple of games out there, just pushing it along the strip. But we're gonna put these cars away for the night and come back out for tech in the morning, roll through contingency, and getting ready for race day.
We're here at the 2020 Mint 400 on Fremont Street. The Mint 400 is known for being one of the best spectator races of the year here stateside, and as you can see, there's a ton of people out here. They're really enthusiastic about the sport, and we're going to get these race cars through tech and get ready to start our day tomorrow.
They're getting a lot of attention. They're rad. Everybody's loving these things so far. They look so cool.
It's a really powerful feeling driving this Ridgeline.
It's the most powerful feeling in the world, honestly. I feel like God.
Okay, we're here on Fremont Street. We have all the race cars behind me, and we are rolling through tech and contingency for the Mint 400. Super cool, tons of people around, and everyone's loving the new Talons.
Christopher and Eliott, they're up doing some autograph signing right now. Look forward to meeting with them after this and make sure everything's ready to go for them in the morning. Eliott is first off the line. He drew first off the line in Turbo UTV, which is pretty awesome. So we're gonna just kind of make sure everything's buttoned up for tomorrow.
Day for Honda. We're here at the Mint 400. We're debuting the 4-seat Talon race cars, and we're just thrilled to be here and can't wait for the start line.
First off, tell me where we're at right now, Mint 400.
I'm just pumped that these Honda Talons came out so awesome. A few test miles of them, I'm getting pretty comfortable so far.
It's been a lot of effort and talk getting here, and it's pretty exciting to finally be here on the start line. Now if they would quit delaying it, because I'm getting a little anxious. We're here at the main pit, and we made one lap, but unfortunately that's going to end our day. Long day. Just working out these new car bugs in this new Honda Talon, but we had a really fast run going. The car was working really good. Fortunately, we broke a shock in mile 40, got it back running, started working our way back to the field, and then just started having a few little issues here and there. Pulled into the main pit here and just decided to call our day because we got 3 more laps to go and it's already pretty late. So bummer, you know, but I gotta give a huge shout out to the whole Honda team for not giving up, and you know, it was fun. It was fun while it lasted, and I think once we get these bugs worked out, it's gonna be a hard car to beat for sure.
Pressure.
But, she's a bad girl.
She's a bad girl.
I got broad shoulders. I can handle the pressure.
She's ready to rip.
Always happy thoughts. It's race day.
So here at the end of lap 1, we're gonna just do fuel only, get him in and out as quickly as possible. Last we heard, he has about a 4.5 minute lead and the truck's running great.
The hood looks good.
By the end of the 3rd lap, the course was absolutely destroyed and we were starting to get into survival mode. I elected to get out and put a fresh driver in the seat just so we could finish strong, knowing that we had a little bit of a mechanical with our rear shocks. We happened to break a rear spring. Pat Dailey gets in with Michael Loomis in the navigator seat. He heads out onto lap 4. And at this point, we're kind of feeling this roller coaster of emotions. You know, the truck was so good, and then we were down with the serpentine belt. Then we came back, and we were on cloud 9, and the truck was so good again. And then we suffered that broken rear spring, but we continued to forge forward. So 4th lap was going to be critical. Like they always said, the mint is won or lost on the 4th lap. We headed out with an 8-minute split on 2nd place. Pat's driving a great race, knowing he's got to conserve the equipment. He's got to take care of the truck because we didn't have the rear springs. And unfortunately, just wasn't able to keep the pace. The truck continued to further kind of go away in the rear. And P2 passed us with about 20 miles to go. Fortunately, you know, we'll take a finish. There was less finishers this race year than ever before in the Mint 400. Just shows you how difficult this race was. We'll take the P2. Obviously, all of our preparations with how hard the team works, we start every race to win, and that's our objective. So we're going to go back to the drawing board. We're going to make some engineering changes to what we need, and we're going to come back stronger for the Baja 500.